Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So this is going to be the first video on this channel doing all motorcycle reviews in English because I used to do English reviews way before and right now I do most of the lifestyle and travel vlogs in Telugu, but I know most of them are missing my English review, so why don't I start the review with the brand new Himalayan BS6. Yes, you're right. So the all new Himalayan BS6 with the tripper navigation is standing just right next to me. So firstly, we'll just do a walk around feature. So right now we are not riding the motorcycle because this is just launched today. So we might take some more time to ride the motorcycle on road. Before that, just go and look at the motorcycle and let's talk about the changes, like what all changes that has been done on this motorcycle. And the motorcycle, what you see here, this is a gravel grey color, and you can see the beautiful tripper navigation attached here at the instrument cluster. So let's flip to the rear camera and let's go find out everything about this bike. Alright, so the first identical change on the bike is the windshield. I guess most of you know the BS4 and BS6 Himalayan windshield. That looks quite similar to this, but you can see the curve which is added here and slightly slimmer version which is going up. So the reason it has got this curve is because of the tripper navigation which is added here. So this is a tripper navigation. Let's switch on the ignition. I guess like whenever I look at this ignition, I feel like I'm riding a chopper or an aeroplane. It just makes me feel like that. So this is a beautiful tripper navigation. So very soon when we ride this motorcycle, we'll check the tripper navigation, how exactly this thing is working, whether is this thing a pro feature on it. Absolutely it's a pro feature, but we're gonna ride it, we're gonna test it in upcoming videos. But before that, let's take a closer look at the instrument cluster. This is a speedometer and you have the gear shifting indication here, a clock and engine temperature. Along with this is a odo, and you can also toggle in between using the set button. So using this you can change the trip A, trip 2, and also you have the side stand indication here. And this is a fuel bar along with the compass. This is a beautiful feature, I always like it. And this is a rev meter, and all new feature is tripper navigation. And these are some indicating lights like indicators, neutral, fuel injection, motor symbol here, and battery, and of course ABS along with the high beam, low beam indication. And you get the beautiful switches here along with the hazard. Very simple thing, you don't have to mess with the bike adding hazards. So this thing is gonna show up here. Alright, so this is a basic instrument cluster and the major update on the BS6 Himalayan along with the windshield. So if you look at the engine, so this is almost the same engine, 411cc, which can put out 24.7 bhp along with the 32 Nm peak torque. And identically what I feel is like the bend pipe, which is with a catalytic converter, is slightly the slimmer version on this variant, because when they launched the BS6, it was the bend pipe which was they added. That was the change. But right now I feel like this is a slimmer variant, and I feel like the engine is slightly moved up, and also the bash plate, you can see the gap in between. You don't find this gap in BS4, BS3, also BS6, which is a previous version to it. So this is all new color variant, gravel grey. Along with the change, another major update is the tail rack. You can see the tail rack. Previously the tail rack pipes were little slimmer, but right now they are strong, and they are which can take the load up to 7 kgs. This is beautiful. And this thing, absolutely we have to talk about it, the exhaust. Along with the exhaust, you used to get a silver plate on it, but right now you're getting a matted black plate, which is quietly going with the bike, matching the tempo of the bike along with the color. And yes, of course, ABS. So the motorcycle gets default ABS and dual channel ABS with the disc setup. So you can also switch off the rear ABS when you're doing the off-road. So these are the tires, Sear tires. and rear side you'll get the 120 90 17 inches rim at the front. So at the up front you get a 90 by 90 21 inches rim. By that you get a whole set of ground clearance, and these are the telescopic suspension, long travel suspension. At the rear you get monoshock. That's the default as we see in BS3 and BS4 and BS6 as well. Alright, so that was the gravel grey, but what you see here is a Mirage silver. So all new color scheme in Himalayan with the BS6 variant. So you can see the stripes on it, on the tank, beautiful stripes, along with the side cover matching the tank, and along with that this is a all new seat. When there are no changes on the cushion but only the graphical changes, brown color. This is how it matches the stripes and also tank. It is giving a beautiful look on the motorcycle, of course. So another thing, when you have totally curved windshield, so along with that they have changed the jerry can rack, which you see here. The previous version was quite square, but right now it is in a different shape and it is looking attractive. What do you think about it? Do let me know in the comments. So guys, this is about the motorcycle, all new Himalayan with the tripper navigation. So I guess I have pretty much answered all of your queries, and I spoke about the motorcycle most probably. So if I missed out anything, I'll mention it in the description, or else you can ask me in the comments anytime. I can answer, I can revert back. So yes, of course, I guess we are missing out on one point, which is price. So there are completely 6 variants right now, which is pine green and granite black. So pine green and granite black on-road price would cost you 2,46,000, and rock red and lake blue would cost you somewhere 2.42 lakhs, and Mirage silver gravel grey, which will cost you 2.38 lakhs. That's the on-road price of Hyderabad. So I guess like showroom to showroom, place to place, price might differ. So I always recommend you to go to the showroom and ask them directly on-road price and ex-showroom price. So this is, I'm talking about the only Hyderabad Erragada showroom. So if I miss anything, I'll add it in the description, and you can also contact this showroom. Contact number will be given in the description. I hope you like this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family members. Do comment, let me know anything that I need to add up in the video from the next time, so that I can add those things. And stay tuned to my channel for more content. Here, signing off. See you in another video.